I welcome you my channel Maths by Avinash. Today we shall continue our chapter Surface Area and Volume. Today we will discuss 13.6 from NCERT. So let's start our class. Wood is there. Inner diameter is 24 centimeter and outer diameter is there 28 centimeter. And length of pipe is already there 35 centimeter. So we have to calculate the mass of the pipe. Mass of the pipe we have to calculate. If 1 centimeter of wood has mass is 0.6 kg. Now see how we solve this problem. Diameter is there. The first I will write inner radius. Inner radius is represented by small r. Diameter is 24 by 2. Inner radius is 12 centimeter. Clear? Same as outer radius. Outer radius is represented by capital R. Outer diameter is there 28. 28 by 2. This is 14 centimeter. Clear? Now next what we have to calculate? Volume of wood. Volume of wood used in a pipe is pi capital R minus small r, because we have two radius, inner and outer. Clear? Substitute all the values. Capital R is 14. Write 14 is square. This is 12 is square, and height is already there. H. Height is 35 centimeter. Substitute it. Solve this one. This becomes 196. 14 is square. This is 144 into 35. This becomes 22 by 7. This is 52 and this is 35. After solving we get 5720. 5720 centimeter cube, and mass of wood is already there. Mass of wood is 1 centimeter cube. Therefore mass of 1 centimeter cube of wood is 0.6 kg. Therefore mass of 5720 centimeter cube wood is 0.6 into 5720 multiplied it becomes 3432 gram. If you change in kg it becomes 3.432 kg. This is the total mass of the pipe. I hope this one is clear to you. Take another question. This is question number 5. Question is said, if cost of rupees 2200 to paint the inner curved surface of a cylindrical vessel is 10 meter deep. If the cost of painting is at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square, Then find case first, inner curved surface area of the vessel, inner curved surface area of the vessel. This is case first, this is case 2, radius of the base, radius of the base. Case third, capacity of the vessel, capacity of the vessel. We have 3 cases. Now what question is said, total cost is there. If you paint inner cylindrical vessel, their total cost is there and height is there, and per meter cost is 20 rupees. Then you have to calculate what? Inner curved surface area. Now see how we solve. Case first, inner curved surface area equals to total cost by cost of painting per meter square. Total cost is 2200 by 20. Inner curved surface area is 110 meter square. Clear? Now see how we solve case 2. In case 2 you have to calculate radius. Inner curved surface area is already calculated. We know that curved surface is area of cylinder 2 pi RH. Curved surface area is already calculated 110. Substitute all the values. 22 by 7. Radius is, we have to calculate, and height is 10 meter. Clear? Now solve this one. This 11 times this becomes what? 7 equals to 4R. Therefore radius will be 7 by 4. After calculating, it becomes 1.75 meter. Clear? And our last case is capacity of the vessel. Now capacity of the vessel. Capacity of the vessel. We know that pi r square s. Substitute all the values. Radius is our 1.75 into 1.75. Height is 10 meter. After we calculating, we get 96.25 meter cube. This is the capacity of the cylindrical vessel. I hope this one is clear to you. Now we have question number 8. What question is said? A patient in a hospital, is given soup daily in a cylindrical bowl of diameter 7 cm. Of diameter 7 cm. If the bowl is filled with soup to a height of 4 cm, then how much how much soup of the hospital has to prepare daily to serve 250 patients. Here. Now what question is said? A patient in a hospital is given a soup in daily in a which bowl? Cylindrical bowl. Of diameter is there 7 centimeter. If bowl is filled at the height of 4 meter, then we have to calculate how much soup is needed for 250 patients. Now see how we solve. Diameter is there 7 centimeter, therefore radius will be what? 7 by 2. Clear? Height is 4 centimeter, therefore capacity of one cylindrical bowl, capacity of one cylindrical bowl is pi r square h. Substitute all the values. Radius will be 7 by 2 and height is 4. It becomes what? 154 centimeter cube. Capacity of one cylindrical bowl. Therefore, soup needed for how many patients? 250. Soup consumed by 250 patients is 250 into 154. After multiplying, we get 38500 centimeter cube. Clear? I hope this one is clear to you. Please watch the video properly and don't forget to subscribe my channel.